Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your homegirl, Adosha Wright, the author of Curly Hair Adventures, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, and the Beauty and Barber Survival Plan, to which I will put all the links in my description. To those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. What up, fam? How y'all doing out there in this beautiful world, okay? I hope y'all went out and voted. So as you saw in the other video, we talked about how to detangle Afro curly hair. We talked about why the terminology of hair mapping and hair mapping and hair typing are not a really good thing, because humans are too vast and too unique to try to categorize the hair textures and types. But what we can do is use a universal approach to hair care for all textures and all types. So I always promote 3 principles: the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques. And those can be found right here on my YouTube channel and in my book, my self-help book titled, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon. So now that we have her hair nice and detangled, now I'm going to show you, what's up? Jamila just walked in the Hize. So now I'm going to show you how I actually detangle, how I'm going to shampoo her hair. Now, when you think of shampooing, most people would take her back to the bowl, right? Take all her twists out, wet her hair down, and then start the whole effleurage. Now, we don't want to do that. So here's what they don't tell you at the hair salon. Shampooing originally meant massage. So when we massage hair, we're not really washing it. That's one. 2, if you go to massage this Afro hair, you know what's going to happen? It's going to tangle back up. So I have a new hair care cleansing technique called toosing. T-O-O-S-I-N-G. Toosing, not to be confused with shampooing, is the effective modality of cleansing the scalp and the hair without tangling it. So I have my RevAir up-in atomizer, and I'll put the RevAir family in the link, okay? And so now we're going to take a nice, low pH shampoo that doesn't want to come out. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. So don't use too much, all right? And what we're going to do is apply this directly to her scalp, and we're going to work the cleansing part down. So if we do her hair this way, we cleanse it this way, you see this, guys? Then we're not going to tangle up her hair. You see that? And how do we know that it's not going to be tangled? Because I'm going to comb it and check it. Voila, you see? And so I'm going to, of course, I'm going to 2-strand it and twist it back down. And then this way, it's never going to tangle. So I'm going to take her back to the shampoo bowl and rinse this out. And I can repeat and lather each section. So let's do another one. And make sure you clip the hair back up, all right? Do not, I repeat, do not let the hair, become unloosened, because if you do that, then her hair is just going to just tangle back up. So make sure you untangle, right? And then take your up-in atomizer. Now you can use old Kool-Aid bottle if you want to, a little mayonnaise jar, whatever's going to make you feel comfortable. But I like that up-in atomizer because it sprays out. And a couple of pumps going to her scalp. Now, when it comes to Afro hair, or what you guys call 4C or 4A or whatever y'all call it this year, you really have to make sure that you're getting the scalp nice and clean. And I have to get this really clean. And when using the RevAir or blow dryers or hot tool devices, this is how heating devices get a bad rap. They get a bad rap because the hair isn't clean. And so this is too much hair to take her back into the shampoo bowl and then let all this come loose, and then all of her hair, is just going to fluff up, revert, spring back. The recoil is real on Afro hair, and then all her hair, it won't be clean. So it's very, very, very important that we cleanse Afro hair in sections. Now, I know what you're saying. I was never taught this growing up. I know, but this is the beauty of evolution. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to evolve in this. So again, a little water. You see how the up and atomizer, it continues to spray, right? And then I'm gonna take just a couple of pumps. Now, if you don't have a pump, you can put your shampoo like in a bowl, okay? And I'm gonna work this cleanser down. And then I'm gonna scrub her scalp, because if her scalp isn't clean, then her hair won't smooth out. When you blow dry it, when you try to braid it, it'll have that tacky, stiff, brittle feel. And then also, this way, you know what? We can get all the debris off the hair. And to make sure I'm not tangling it, you see that? Ta-da! How's that feeling, Royalty? Royalty, like, nice! So hit that heart button for Miss Royalty. She's being a great super hair model. And now this is the texture that everybody's looking for. I saw an advertisement. They were looking for real 4C hair models. And so this is one of those people who have that true 4C hair. And as you saw in the other video, her hair was just all the way down to her scalp. That's natural. That's what 4C hair, as y'all call it, that's what Afro hair is supposed to do. All right, so that's normal. And how to detangle it and cleanse it, I think that this is the best way because it's quick, it's easy, and then like I said, it doesn't hurt. And you use just a little, and she's feeling really comfortable. This is actually her first time with me, and she's already saying, you know, LaDosha, you're the coolest. Aren't you saying that? I paid her $5. Make sure y'all pay y'all people. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. So just make sure you're making your guests feel really comfortable. If you're a hairstylist, I invite you to try it. If you're a mom or a dad and your daughters, you know, or your sons already have the ponytails or braids in their hair, just take the braids down a few at a time, comb them out, and then section them off, and then, you know, a little conditioner, and then, you know, some shampoo, and voila. And when I take her back to the bowl, I'm just gonna rinse them out, and if it's still debris, then I will just cleanse them. I will re-cleanse them. Now, as the hair gets cleaner, the hair will become easier to manage. So when you're first doing this, the hair, because you can see all the product, you know, see how it's kind of gummy, you know, see that? So as the hair gets cleaner, then the hair will be easier to manage. So there you have it. The best way to shampoo what you guys call 4C, I'm calling it Afro coily, curly, you might call it kinky, whatever. Use your language. I don't use it here, but you know how that goes, okay? And I'm making sure that I'm breaking all that goo off her hair. You see that? And then this way, there's her ends, and I can scrub her scalp. And that's one of the complaints that people have about Afro hair, is that, you know what, they can't get their scalp clean. This is why they're coming to the hair salon, because they say, hey, the salon knows how to get it, but then the drawback is that at the hair salon, they tangle your hair up too. Well, here at the Reverse Design Team, we don't tangle the hair up because we don't subscribe to shampooing hair. We subscribe to cleansing hair, and our cleansing technique is called toothing, all right? So there you have it. That's it. If you like this video, I want you guys to hit the heart button. Don't forget to share. My books are available on Amazon. My store opens up tomorrow, the LaDosha Wright Amazon store. And you can also join us on October the 25th over on on Kevin Chill Heart on YouTube, as we discuss the tales of textured hair, okay? Thank you guys, bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, rub your beautiful bald head, all right? Peace out, good people.